Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Analyze Results page on Surveymonkey so you can make the most out of your survey data. Whether you're tracking feedback, opinions, or trends, this page gives you everything you need to understand your responses clearly. First, log into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're logged in, locate the survey you want to review and click on its title. This will open your survey and direct you to a world of valuable data. At the top of the page, click on the Analyze Results tab to get started. This is where you'll be able to see summaries, insights, and more detailed data at a glance. The default view is the question summary section. Here, Surveymonkey presents your data using charts, graphs, and key statistics, making it easy to see how respondents answered each question. If you want more detail, you can explore the overall response distribution for each question to understand patterns or differences in opinions. One of the most powerful tools on this page is the Insights and Data Trends section. It allows you to track how responses change over time, helping you spot shifts in opinions or trends as more data comes in. You can also browse individual responses to get a deeper understanding of each participant's answers. The Dashboards feature lets you create custom dashboards to monitor metrics that matter most to you. Filters can help narrow down the data, such as viewing only complete responses or comparing groups to spot trends across demographics. The Show Rules feature is perfect for highlighting specific answers or categories that require your attention. Finally, don't forget the Exports function. This allows you to download your data in multiple formats like CSV, PDF, HTML, and XML, making it easy to present or archive your findings. With these tools at your disposal, the Analyze Results page on Surveymonkey makes it simple to turn raw data into actionable insights. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials.